Finding the courage to change, becoming a cooperative component. I've had to face the fact that I don't know how to cooperate with others. Oh, I know how to take direction. I can be managed. And I know how to manage others. One up or one down relationships are familiar and workable. But I don't know how to pull together in the same harness towards the same goal as a partner. It's not comfortable for me to put my ideas forward, negotiate, listen respectfully, and possibly concede a point. I'm always overreacting. Sometimes I'm too demanding, and sometimes I'm too detached. I didn't observe this type of cooperation in my family as a child, so how could I possibly have developed those skills? I could not have turned out any differently, so I can give myself some grace. However, now that I've recognized this missing skill set, I've got to figure out how to become a cooperative component. The 12 traditions offer guidance on developing the ability to cooperate. I've learned not to take things personally. I have more respect for others. I'm learning to release my need to dominate and control the situation. I've become a better listener. I've also discovered that my ideas and desires do have value, and I've learned to recognize my limitations. When I focus on being a cooperative component, each family member can contribute with their strength. We pull together as a team, and that feels good.